Greetings, curious minds! I'm Pip, and today my workshop has landed somewhere extraordinary. Beneath this endless golden desert sand lies one of the greatest secrets in human history, the secret of glass.
Look at this sand. Just ordinary desert sand. But treated in exactly the right way, this tiny grain becomes something so clear, so strong, and so useful.
We are talking about glass, and we are going all the way back to the very beginning to find out exactly how it is done.
Here's the first surprise. Humans didn't invent glass. Nature did. When lightning strikes sand at extreme heat, it melts into natural glass called fulgurite.
When volcanoes erupt, lava can cool so fast it becomes natural black glass called obsidian. Ancient people used this volcanic glass to make tools, weapons, and mirrors. About 3,500 years ago in ancient Mesopotamia, humans discovered something magical. Heat certain sands with minerals hot enough, and the sand transforms into glass. Then came the Romans, and everything changed. They discovered glassblowing around 50 BC. One pipe, one breath glass became everything. For centuries, Venetian craftsmen were so valuable, they were forbidden from leaving the island. Their secrets too precious.
Let me show you exactly how it is done. 3 ingredients: silica sand, soda ash, limestone. That is all it takes to make glass.
These ingredients are heated to 1,700 degrees Celsius, hotter than some stars. Inside the furnace, everything melts into a blazing, glowing liquid called molten glass.
Molten glass is poured onto a bath of liquid tin. Because glass is lighter than tin, it floats on the surface, perfectly flat. Invented only in 1959. Cool too fast and it shatters. So glass passes slowly through a cooling tunnel, perfectly controlled. Glass emerges as one perfect ribbon. Diamond cutters snap it into sheets, accurate to a fraction of a millimeter. But flat window glass is only the beginning. Add lead, and you get sparkling crystal glass. Add boron, and you create heat-resistant glass for labs and cooking. Master glassblowers still work by hand today. Every piece blown and shaped, completely unique. Your phone screen, your window, your glasses, every single one started as sand. And here is the part that nobody ever tells you.
Glass is not truly a solid. Glass is technically a liquid that is moving so slowly we cannot see it move. Cathedral windows prove it.
Medieval cathedral windows have been slowly flowing downward for hundreds of years. Isn't that something? The workshop is humming. Somewhere new is waiting. Keep wondering, keep exploring, and keep asking, how is it done?